The forecast at this hour, nearly all of East Texas is under an enhanced risk for severe weather. You're taking a live look in the DFW area. Those storms are headed this way. And Brett, what's the latest?
Yeah, that's one of those cells that I think eventually will join up into a line of showers and thunderstorms that will head out into East Texas much later tonight. Probably not arriving here till about 8 or 9 o'clock in our western counties, and it might be as late as 9 or 10 here in Tyler. But that line you can see right there, that was the base of the clouds that are moving through a tornado warned storm in Dallas County right now. So that is a severe or a serious situation. They're watching that carefully. Right now, nothing on the ground, and that is good news. But you can see that red box over just to the north of Dallas. That's the tornado warning currently. There is a tornado watch surrounding that until 8 o'clock. That includes Rains, Hopkins County. Notice no other counties in East Texas currently under that tornado watch. We may get added to either a tornado watch or a severe thunderstorm watch later this evening as that line of showers and thunderstorms starts to move out in our direction. Currently, it's just normal rain. Cushing, maybe a little thunder bolt there or thunder rumble down in Cushing, lightning bolt around that area, Laneville, Rusk. Not severe. This is a stronger cell that has moved through Angelina County. Now it's moving into San Augustine County, southern Nacogdoches County, and also parts of Trinity County. It's moving to the northeast roughly at about 40 miles an hour. There's a little bit of small hail in that as it continues to move northeastward. So it should move into center by about 547 San Augustine here, by 528 Pineland, right around 534, might clip Appleby at 520. Eventually all the way as it moves up into Louisiana. It should be sometime after 6 o'clock. So that's moving pretty quick. Then we have the line of showers and thunderstorms, or at least it's trying to become a line. These are individual supercells right now, and that's why they are very strong. Most of those are spinning, and I do think they'll eventually turn into this line. Right now, that Dallas County storm now reduced to a severe thunderstorm warning till 5:30. But you can see up toward Garland, University Park, there's tons of lightning. That was the storm that they were concerned about. Now it's just a strong mezzo that is spinning at this time. Hailer up toward Parker and just approaching I-35. That'll cross I-35 again. I believe it will join up into the line and then head out into East Texas. Right now, we've got cloudy skies, light rain, 68 degrees, dew points at 65. Plenty humid enough for severe weather here. Also breezy south winds at 17 miles an hour. The showers and thunderstorms right now are occurring along the dry line. That's the dividing line between the more humid air and the drier air. So that's one form of forcing. The other one is the cold front. The cold front should catch up to the dry line this evening, and then that will help to get our showers and thunderstorms going. So here's 7 o'clock. We've got showers out to the east, a couple of clusters back toward Mineola and Emory. Look what happens, though. Now you get that line of thunderstorms, and that is a sharp line. So along that leading edge here, we're talking 60 to 70 miles an hour. Now, wherever it starts to bow out, there could be an even stronger wind gust, and that may occur over parts of Rusk County, down into Cherokee County, and also parts of Houston County, and then up here toward Marion and Harrison County, and that's between 10 and 11 o'clock tonight. This will continue moving to the southeast, so that it moves into San Augustine County, southern Angelina County by about midnight. Sabine County finally moves out of the area at about 2 o'clock Friday morning. North winds behind that. Cold air temperatures fall into the 30s. This is a cold rain across our northern counties, and the rain persists. And I mean a cold rain and drizzle up until about 11 o'clock over deep East Texas. So the whole thing that's driving the severe weather threat tonight is this very strong cold front that's coming through that drops our temperatures into the 30s and then keeps us in the 50s tomorrow. So if we want to recap, this is tonight, 8 to midnight, with maybe 9, 10, 11 being your prime time for damaging wind gusts. Tornado threat is there. It's a bit lower, but along that leading edge, we could have a quick spin up that would prompt a tornado warning. Hail, also a threat, 9, 10, 11 o'clock. Flood threat would come afterwards, after all streams, creeks, and streets and things of that nature start to rise because of the heavy rainfall. So tonight, thunderstorms, some strong during the evening, giving way to cloudy skies after midnight, then light rain develops. So this period of thunderstorms, again, between 8 p.m., midnight, maybe as late as 2 a.m. over extreme deep East Texas down in Sabine County. 39 for the overnight low. Winds will turn to the northwest to 13 miles an hour. Here's the Baylor Scott & White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. It's a cold morning rain for St. Patrick's Day, then afternoon clearing. The high is just 51. A shower for some Saturday morning or some drizzle. It just looks really unsettled and messy Saturday morning with temperatures in the upper 30s, only warming back to about 55. Frosty morning on Sunday, 52. Freezing temps in spots as spring begins Monday. Then 58 in the afternoon, a little warmer Tuesday. Late showers, but warmer weather with scattered thunderstorms by next Thursday. We'll take another look at CBS 19 radar before the bottom of the half hour.